In this video, I will show you how to change birthday on Facebook. It's quick and easy. Let's begin. Open Facebook. Tap this three lines icon. Next, tap the gear icon. Scroll down until you see profile information. It should be under audience and visibility. Now go to profile information. Scroll down a bit and in the basic info settings you can see birthday. Next, tap edit. Here you can change the birthday. Let's change it. Tap day. Next, month. And year if you need. Confirm your age by checking it. Check if the new birthday is correct. After that, hit save and your birthday will change. That's all. This is how you can change the birthday on Facebook. Hope the video helped you. Please like the video, it helps me. Thank you.